I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty: Ghosts on PC. This classic first-person shooter offers an engaging campaign, cooperative extinction mode, and robust multiplayer. We will cover everything from ensuring your computer meets the necessary specifications to getting the game up and running. Prepare to dive into intense combat and customize your soldier for battle. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a ghost. To begin playing, you will first need to acquire Call of Duty: Ghosts. The most straightforward method is purchasing it digitally through platforms such as Steam. Alternatively, you can find digital activation keys from various online retailers. Once purchased, you will download the game through the respective platform's client. Remember, a broadband internet connection is essential for both the initial download and for enjoying online multiplayer modes. Before installation, verify your PC meets the minimum system requirements. You will need at least 6 GB of RAM and a 64-bit operating system, such as Windows 7 or 8. For the processor, an Intel Core 2 Duo E8200 or an AMD Phenom X3 8750 or better is necessary. A graphics card equivalent to an NVIDIA GTX 450 or an ATI Radeon HD 5870 will ensure a playable experience. The game also requires DirectX 11. Once installed, you can jump into the action. Explore the compelling single-player campaign, or team up with up to 3 friends in the cooperative extinction mode, battling alien creatures. The multiplayer offers extensive customization, allowing you to create unique soldiers from 20,000 possible combinations. You can also enjoy various online modes. For local split-screen multiplayer on PC, community-developed tools like Nucleus Co-op can enable this feature, offering a unique way to play with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.